be a workout. What?
Good morning, guys. So we are going to Sam's Club because we have to get some food and stuff for the house. We stopped by the barber shop that I take Kingston to, but and we ran in. It's pouring out and they're booked up till 4 o'clock, so he's not gonna get a haircut today.
I got Flareon.
He's playing Pokemon Go.
I just opened my EV to Flareon.
Reading a book on Wattpad.
I got Flareon.
Nice.
Yeah.
So yeah, we didn't do anything yesterday. We were like in our pajamas all day, but we had to get out of the house today, even though it's still raining. It's been raining since New Year's, but I need to get some stuff. So where's Mei Mei? Where's Mei Mei? Hi, Mei Mei. You want to go in the store?
Hey, Mommy. When we had Pikachu is at Starbucks.
Well, we're not going to Starbucks. Sorry. No, no Starbucks.
Mommy.
No.
I look cool today. I look cool. I do.
I did Violet's hair in like a little top knot bun.
I like it. Can you do this for school tomorrow?
Yeah. Yep. Kids go back to school tomorrow. Sorry. Oh no, it started pouring even more. We don't have umbrellas. I lost them all. So we'll wait a few minutes until it dies down a bit and then we'll make a run for it. Let's see, it's pouring outside, so it's pour.
Coming down. Okay. I'm gonna stop with the neighborhood lyrics. I'm ready. I'm gonna go full assassin.
No.
Let's go full maze runner, like, ah! It's like, I'm gonna run because, like, maze runner.
Oh my gosh.
Mom, I'm gonna be like the maze runner, run really fast, try to escape. Like,
No,
pretend
because
I'm-
then you'll slip and fall.
Good.
Ooh, you got your phone? Hey, kiddo. Violet, you're gonna trip and fall if you're reading a story while you're walking.
I can see while I'm, like, I can see turns while I'm reading. Like, I can see what's ahead of me, but no one can see me.
Ooh, the samples are out. I got free samples. That's cute, huh, King? What, your shoe? It's fine.
Like, maybe she'll have to take it off.
You like the playhouse?
Yep.
It's just, I would break it.
It's a little small for you. Oh, a bouncy house?
Mystical floating bouncy house like Peter Pan. Did you put you put a little too much pics in this one? Like,
Okay. Let's get some food.
yeah, queen.
Yeah, those look good. This is a creme brulee. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to like lose weight. I can't look at that.
Oh, that's an entire box of cupcakes.
That's a lot of cupcakes. Mmm. Got him?
Yeah.
Oh, big boy. Thank you. Don't crush the bread.
Okay, so we're gonna get the mini corn dogs.
Okay.
I want to have some mini corn dogs for dinner.
Okay. You can have them for dinner.
Yay! Mommy, remember that we went to that restaurant that they had the tablet style like the mini corn dogs, remember?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, kind of.
What? That's chicken. It's chicken. Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken butt. Chicken butt. Oh. Chicken butt. Chicken butt.
Who's that? Who's that?
Kuda. Amai.
Aunt May.
Gomez.
Pretty girl.
How dare you?
What did you say yesterday? Am I cute too,
So
Mommy?
she was playing with the baby, and she was on the fan, the Rocky thing, and I went out. I was like, "Am I cute, Mommy?" It was really sad.
Maymay's like, no, me. So this is Maymay's lunch. She's gonna have some rotisserie chicken and tomatoes and bread. Some toast with butter.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you ready? Let's eat. Are you ready to eat? Come on, let's eat. Let's get in your high chair. Yummy. You don't need to eat the toast with the fork. It's okay, it's time for nap. Oh, it's okay. May, it's okay. Night-night. You say night-night? Give your bunny some milk?
No.
Give your bunny some milk.
Help. Bunny.
Here, let's get bunny milk. Oh, night-night, bunny.
Bunny.
Night-night, Kylan. Night-night, May.
Oh, hi. Bunny.
Oh my goodness. May.
No, just take over to a preschool. Okay, just sitting down normal, like a normal baby, right? And then this happens.
I did open the basement with this crowbar. Oh my goodness.
Hold on tight, child. This cat's like
Alright,
false.
so I did open the basement with this crowbar.
You playing Hello Neighbor King?
Yep.
Hold on tight. Hold on to me, child.
With
Hold
this
on.
crowbar.
Wait, stand up, okay? Hold on, child.
Oh, and I'm good.
This could be a workout. What?
So it is like thunder and lightning really bad out right now and like pouring, and May is scared. And so, well, this is the first time she's been down in like an hour.
Open the basement with this crowbar.
She's been clinging to me and Violet like,
Mommy, can you
so I've been trying to edit and I can't because she's like attached.
Never
Attached. I can't edit. Oh, don't you dare. You
I
make
barely got on you. I just. Oh my god. That's even not even weight on you. I'm bending down, Mom. I'm wrapping my leg around her and bending.
Where's the crowbar?
Mm.
Where's my
Love me.
crowbar?
Here, sit down. You love me? Come on.
Where's
Sit.
my
Sit with
crowbar?
JJ. Ah. Oh, thank you.
I'm playing Hello Neighbor, and I did open the basement with the crowbar, but I dropped it.
Oh no.
Neighbor does have
Mom, she
first.
loves
Let me
this.
see what's in this door. E. No, nothing. I'm going. Oh God, he's here! He's here!
Show mommy the animals. Can I see? What's that?
Kuda.
Bunny.
Bunny.
Okay, go to the next one. Elephant.
I want that.
Mm-hmm.
I want it.
Elephant.
Bunny.
Elephant.
Bunny.
You really like the bunny.
Kind of bunny.
Oh.
What's that?
Duck.
Duck.
Mm-hmm.
Duck. Duck.
Duck.
Duck.
What's next? Cow.
Cow.
Mm-hmm. Gorilla.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Good job, baby. Baby's sleeping. But I am so excited because I'm watching It's Judy's Life. I'm watching her vlog room today. And I left a comment on their vlog yesterday. And they always post like at the end of their video like some of the subscribers' comments. And mine was the first one that they posted on their video. I'm super excited about that. I love It's Judy's Life like so much. I watch her every day. Let's see. Her comment showed up. So awesome. It's always exciting when you, I don't know, when you get noticed by other YouTubers. It's really cool. Mei Mei likes broccoli.
Barbie, you're so very
Is that good?
adorable. Yes, you are.
Will you stop falling all over her for 1 minute and fix this?
I'm on it. Skipper.
Slow down. Mei Mei, slow down. Slow down. Chew what's in, slow down. And Kingston has mini corn dogs too, but he's having applesauce because he doesn't eat broccoli, huh? No.
I don't eat broccoli and carrots.
How come? They're delicious.
I mean, I drink carrot juice.
You do?
Yeah,